In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold in Microsoft Word. Welcome to this tutorial where we dive into the basics of formatting text in Microsoft Word, specifically how to make text bold. This skill is fundamental and widely used, whether you're drafting a document, creating a resume, or typing up an assignment. Bold text can help highlight important information or headings, making your document easier to read and more visually appealing. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Word on your computer or desktop. For most of you, this will involve clicking on the Microsoft Word icon, which is usually found on your desktop or in your programs list. Once the application launches, you're met with a variety of options, including a range of templates for specific types of documents. However, for this tutorial, we're going to keep things simple. Direct your attention towards the option that says blank document, or select any document you've been working on that requires text to be bolded. Click on it to open up a fresh canvas where we'll apply our formatting magic. Now that your document is open, let's dive into the process of making text bold. This process is incredibly straightforward, but also essential for making specific parts of your document stand out. Start by navigating to the section of text you wish to emphasize. This might be the title of your document, certain headings within it, or perhaps key pieces of information you want to ensure catch the reader's eye. Once you've identified the text in question, the next step is to select it. You can do this by double-clicking on a single word to highlight it, or by clicking and dragging your cursor over multiple words or lines to select a larger section. With your text now highlighted, it's time to apply the bold formatting. Look towards the top of your Microsoft Word interface to find the toolbar, which contains various formatting options. Among these, you'll see the B icon, which stands for bold. It's usually found within the font or text formatting section of the toolbar. Click on this B icon and you'll notice the selected text instantly becomes bolder. This means that the font weight has increased, making the text appear thicker and more prominent against the rest of your document's content. If you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts, Microsoft Word has you covered. Instead of clicking on the B icon, you can simply press Ctrl or Command on a Mac, along with the letter B on your keyboard after selecting your text. This will also apply the bold formatting, saving you time and streamlining your formatting process. And there you have it, a piece of text within your Microsoft Word document that stands out thanks to the bold formatting you've just applied. Bold text is a powerful tool in document formatting, allowing you to draw attention to specific pieces of information, headings, or any part of your text that requires emphasis. Remember, the goal of using bold, or any other formatting option for that matter, should always be to make your document more readable and visually appealing. Use it judiciously to avoid overwhelming your readers with too much bold text, which can have the opposite of the intended effect. As we wrap up this tutorial, I encourage you to experiment with bold formatting in your documents. Try using it for different purposes, like highlighting key points in an essay, drawing attention to headings in a report, or simply making certain words stand out in a letter. The more you practice, the more intuitive it will become to decide when and where to use bold formatting effectively. Thank you for joining me in this quick and informative tutorial on how to make text bold in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone just looking to improve their document formatting skills, I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you master Microsoft Word and enhance your document creation process.